as you know, this is the book of Gateway Public School, and it's grade 5 English book. And in this video we are going to complete this one, friends. This is the last activity G, creative writing. Creating writing is very important in Pakistan. Our schools, our students are in the schools and colleges and universities, and they don't know about the creative writing. I'm not criticizing all the students. I'm criticizing, even I'm not, I don't mean to criticize anyone. I want to develop the skill of creative writing. So write a paragraph about your good friends. What you have to do, you have to write the paragraph about your good friends. Who are your good friends in your notebook, and where you are going to write this creative writing in your notebook, and the topic is good friends, your good friends. Underline all the multi syllables words in it, the paragraph, the essay, whatever you are going to write in the creative writing. In that creative writing, particular creative writing, you will underline the multiple syllables. Multiple syllables mean the words are one syllable word, or two syllable words, or three syllable words. So I hope you will do this activity, creative writing, and please develop this skill in your be different topics. If they now they are able to create about the different things, they can write about an essay, they can write about a paragraph, they can write about a given topic. Please develop this creative writing. Your students, hope you will get my idea. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share it and subscribe it as much as you can. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.